So I'll be showing you how you download the Dola AI app. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. So you can see here, I have the app here. So to download it, you move to your Play Store. I'm using Android, so I have to move to Google Play Store. So this is Play Store here. What you do is you search for Dola. So you search Dola, good, and you have it appear here. And then you proceed to download it. But then if you are not finding Dola, what you are going to do is you need to turn on your VPN. So we need to open a VPN. So good. So on the VPN, we just turn on the VPN to the best location. So I'm using Windscribe VPN. It's up to you. Any VPN you use, that's free. And now let's hop back to Google Play Store, right? And now we are going to search for Dola AI again, and the app should pop up. So search Dola again, and good. The app pops up, and you can proceed to downloading it or anything of that sort. So in my next video, I'll be showing you guys how you can clear the Dola AI, their logo from videos you generate on there. So that's it. Peace.